talking about the topic manners. Manners is an everyday thing to show how you respect others and how they respect you.
Choose your words wisely.
Choose your words wisely and don't comment on things you don't know much about. Being a good listener is often better than speaking. You shouldn't have an opinion on everything. Think things out before you speak. Especially if you're a person who may be poor at finding the right words to speak, don't start the sentence with mms or ers. It seems awkward. You should try speaking to yourself in front of the mirror. It works. It increases your confidence in speaking. Don't speak loudly.
Use your indoor voice.
Don't speak loudly. You'll quickly lose respect if you do, as this can be seen as overbearing and rude. It can also make people upset and angry even before you establish some kind of relationship with them. They will see you as a big mouth who cannot be trusted in anything confidential. So practice turning your loud voice down.
Speak with respect to and of others. You can do this by avoiding negative remarks. This might insult someone. The general rule is, if you don't want someone to speak about you that way, then you don't speak about them to others. Do not ever speak of body functions. Even if it's a casual conversation or telling crude jokes such as using the bathroom or even with your family. Because this shows a bad impression of you in front of your friends or co-workers. Always respect older people.
Listen to them and learn. This applies to all elders, not only parents or grandparents.
Using the golden words. Please, thank you and sorry. Thank you and you're welcome shows that you have good manners. People who lack manners do not use these terms.
Hold open the door for anyone following you closely.
This is a sign of good manner and has never changed. There is no strict gender rule in this day and age. Speak highly of your parents.
Respect them even if there are things about them that you do not like. If you cannot do that, stay away from speaking about them at all. It looks bad to insult or speak badly of the people who brought you into this world or raised you.
Do not swear to use curse words and foul language. It is unprofessional. People who do this are usually very immature and have no self-control or respect for themselves and others. Good manners are simply respect and consideration for others or being aware for the needs of others. They are the oil which lubricates the friction of interpersonal relations and creates a happy and successful society. So, give respect and take respect.